Bioprinting is not just limited to the field of medicine, it's making waves in the world of electronics too. Imagine a world where electronic devices are not assembled, but grown. Yes, grown. This isn't some far-off futuristic idea, it's happening right now. In labs across the globe, researchers are exploring the possibility of bioprinting biological materials that can conduct electricity. These biological materials, or bioinks, are composed of living cells and other biocompatible substances. When they're printed in precise patterns, they can form structures capable of conducting electricity. This not only opens up the possibility of creating more sustainable electronics, but also allows for the creation of flexible and adaptable devices. Imagine wearable tech that seamlessly integrates with your skin, or sensors that can adapt to changing environments. The potential applications are as exciting as they are vast. Bioprinting could redefine not just how we make electronics, but what they're capable of. So, what does this mean for us and the future of electronics? Let's recap. Bioprinting, a technology in its early stages, has the potential to completely transform the world of electronics. It's like having a magic wand that can grow living machines right in our labs. With this technology, electronics could become more adaptable, tailoring their functions to our needs. Imagine a world where our devices not only respond to our commands, but also adapt to our environments. We're talking about electronics that can self-repair, change form, and even replicate. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet it's a future that bioprinting could make possible. Moreover, these living electronics could be more sustainable. With the ability to grow and repair themselves, they might reduce electronic waste, a major issue in our current technology-dependent society. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, one thing is certain: the future of electronics is alive and growing, quite literally.